Already have an Instagram account and want to turn it into a business account? In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account to a professional business account, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, you'll see the option called Switch to Professional Account. Simply tap on it. Now, Instagram will show you different professional account features like insights, run ads, and get paid options. Tap Next to move ahead. Next, choose a category that best matches your business or brand. You can also decide whether you want the switch to professional account. Tap on it. After you select your category, here make sure you select business, then tap Next. Now add your business contact information like email address, phone number, or business location. If you want customers to contact you easily, make sure the display contact info option is enabled. For better Instagram marketing and ad features, you can also connect your Instagram account to connect Facebook, then log into Facebook. Then it asks to set up your professional account, clearly to understand users. Finally, complete your business profile by adding a profile photo, bio, and other important details. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now switched to a professional business account.